Halloween is coming, so it's time to paint the perfect bed shirt. Hi everyone, this is Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I will paint the last for this year Halloween design. I've already created snake t-shirt and spider shirt. Check out these videos on my YouTube channel, and now it's time to paint the bed design. And the story of this design is very interesting. First I wanted to paint just beds, and when I painted them I looked to the design like, I don't like it, I need to add something more. What should I paint? And I painted. Watch this video until then to see the result. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more hand painting clothing videos, and also click the notification bell to get notified every time I share my creative videos. So, let's begin! So, as you can see, sometimes I create an idea in the process of painting. Write me your thoughts about this design in the comments. And if you are interested in hand painting clothing, check out my Etsy shop, I put the link down below. And stay tuned, in the next video I will create amazing t-shirt. See you, bye bye!